Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Go. First, download the free Pokémon Go app on your mobile device. Once installed, create your account and customize your unique avatar. The game uses your phone's GPS to track your real-world movement. You'll walk around your neighborhood and beyond to discover Pokémon appearing on your map. It's an exciting way to explore your surroundings and begin your journey as a Pokémon trainer. Catching Pokémon is a core part of the game. When a Pokémon appears on your map, simply tap on it to begin an encounter. You'll then see the Pokémon in an augmented reality view or a standard background. To catch it, swipe a Pokéball towards the Pokémon. Aim for the shrinking colored ring for a better chance. Using a raspberry before throwing can significantly increase your chances of a successful capture, especially for tougher Pokémon. As you progress, you'll choose one of three teams: Team Instinct, Team Mystic, or Team Valor. These teams compete for control of gyms located at real-world landmarks. You can battle other trainers' Pokémon at gyms to claim them for your team and earn daily rewards. Additionally, you can participate in exciting raid battles with up to 20 other players to defeat incredibly powerful raid bosses and earn rare Pokémon and items. Evolving your Pokémon makes them stronger. You'll need to collect a specific amount of candy for each Pokémon species, often 25, 50, or even 400 for some. Stardust is also crucial for powering up. To keep your Pokémon healthy, use items like potions to restore hit points and revives to bring fainted Pokémon back. You can acquire these and other essential items by spinning Pokéstops, which are found at various points of interest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.